What's the meaning of anaphylactic? Anaphylactic. 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 Anaphylactic.
Anaphylactic refers to a severe and potentially life-threatening allergic reaction that occurs when the immune system overreacts to a substance, such as food, medication, or insect venom. The reaction can affect multiple organs and systems in the body, including the skin, respiratory system, cardiovascular system, and gastrointestinal system. Common symptoms include hives, swelling of the face, tongue or throat, difficulty breathing, chest pain, low blood pressure, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Without immediate medical intervention, anaphylaxis can quickly progress to shock and death. It is a serious medical emergency that requires prompt treatment with epinephrine and other medications to halt the reaction.